వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ డ్రీమ్ బాయ్ జై సూర్య. గైస్ ఈ వీడియో స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. చిచ్ అనే ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూ అని చెప్పేసి నాకైతే చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది వీడియో. అయితే మీకు కూడా డెఫినెట్లీ నచ్చుతుంది. అంతకుముందు ఎవరైనా మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఫర్ 1 million. ఓకేనా? వీడియో చూసేద్దామా? Yo, what happened, darling?
I don't know.
Yeah.
This is what you start with me. I don't know.
Yeah, don't go. Don't go 6. Yeah. Do you drink?
I drink, but I don't drink.
Huh? Yeah, actually, cameraman is coming in 10 minutes.
Huh?
The cameraman is not here. Actually, he is in another shoot. 10 minutes he is coming.
Oh, no.
10 minutes में
No, I'm already late. So no worries.
Yeah.
Then why you telling me to come very fast when there's no camera?
Bro, actually, I have another shoot, brother. Novotel, you know.
Even you are in shooting. So.
Yeah, you have. You are a celebrity, brother.
No, I'm not a celebrity. Just, you see that girl, she doesn't know me. So I'm a celebrity.
They don't know anything. So
I'm a celebrity.
Actually, fast means another shoot is there, so I should go. Bro, can you play caroms in this? In this setup we are playing, you know. In
Yeah.
this setup,
I'm saying.
no striker, but we have to. Seriously, brother, we are playing like this.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, we have not supposed to have to stay here and automatical kinds. Then we have to. Oh, brother, cigarette is stopping. Yeah, brother, one song, sing a song, brother. I seriously.
we are enjoying.
I will enjoy your videos in Insta Reels. Yeah, last time that song was crazy, brother.
Gudda.
Actually, brother, ఏమనుకోకు, దాని అర్థం తెలుసా నీకు? Do you know that meaning of గుట్ట గుట్ట తిరిగేటోడా?
No, I don't know.
So sing it once for me, brother.
Only the meaning that people say I'm singing the ass. Buddha.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, can you sing once?
Yeah.
Yeah, ready. Yo.
గుట్ట గుట్ట తిరిగే తోడా బిమ్మసారి గుట్టకి గుడి కట్ట తోడా నీ గుట్ట సాయిరా నాకు తెలుసు బిమ్మసారి పోల కాదు మారిపోరా కళ్ళ కడవ తీసుక బిమ్మసారి పోల కాదు మారిపోరా
Oh, wow, super, brother.
Yeah.
Super. But Telugu people are encouraging you, supporting you so much, I think.
Yeah, so much.
చాలా బాగా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా నేను.
Yeah, I'm so happy, chala happy, everything is good.
Yeah.
That's why I want to stay in Warangal because Warangal are the MI people.
MI?
My people.
Warangal, yours people.
Yeah, the MI people.
Yeah, Warangal is my state, brother. Telangana.
Yeah.
Not my state, in my state. English problem. Another one. Can you try another song?
నీ పక్కన పద్ధతి లేదు సూదల పీల నాది నక్కిలసు గొలుసు
Oh, Hara.
నీ పక్కన పద్ధతి లేదు సూదల పీల నాది నక్కిలసు గొలుసు
పక్కన పట్టాది లేదు సూడల పిల్ల నాది నక్కిలిసు గొలుసు.
What happened, brother? I will dance, you know.
Yeah.
Call a cameraman also.
Wait, he's in another shoot. I am saying you 3 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. He's free at that time.
Switch on fan.
Yeah. అండ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఎందుకంటే అర్థమవుతుంది అని చెప్పేది. ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఎందుకంటే ఇన్ మై సొసైటీ మీన్స్ నాట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఏరియా ఈ పొలిటికల్ లీడర్ ఇస్ దేర్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ సా యువర్ వీడియోస్ అండ్ ఈ వాంట్ టు టాక్ విత్ యూ బికాస్ యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ తెలుగు సాంగ్స్ నా అండ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్లీ సమ్ మీనింగ్ ఈజ్ చేంజింగ్. అర్థం మొత్తం చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది బికాస్ ఆఫ్ సింగింగ్ యూ. So I want to talk to you
About what?
about you are singing songs not correctly.
So you want
Means
to...
you are singing okay correctly song but meaning is changing, totally changing meaning.
పాటల్ని కూతుల్లా చేస్తున్నారు అని చెప్పేసి
Bad words. Butula.
Yeah, Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is converting like badly.
That's not my problem then.
So that's why he
so
said to
the-
call him. We will do an interview and we will say some good things to. In future, he will do whatever it will cause cancer sometimes.
Me, I have no problem. I sing. People,
Yeah. No worries, brother. No worries.
No, I'm
Just-
not worried about anything because me, when I'm singing a song, I take my time. I practice. Then,
Yeah.
It's not my.
Who
language.
wrote to you? Who wrote
Everything
lyrics?
myself.
Yourself.
Everything I do myself.
Oh, good.
Don't have, help me out.
But he is angry on you because last time you said this song Gutta Gutta Tirigetoda, that song belongs to them. Gutta
Their
Gutta.
song only.
Gutta Gutta Tirigetoda Pimmasari Gutta Ki Gudi Gattetoda.
We changed మొత్తం గుద్దా గుద్దా.
So that's why he sang
they
this
are
song.
deciding to allocating your guda. That's what we are telling.
Then I should meet you because me.
Yeah, he also coming.
He's coming.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
coming. And after I will arrange both of you interview. It is brother. In future you will get problems. I think if any wrong you done, it will create problem in future.
I know, but
Yeah, that's why he will
me, I say gutta, but
It's
when
not you what say gutta.
I say gutta, but
You are speaking correctly, brother. Gutta, but why you are like Gutta Gutta
Gutta.
Tirigetoda?
I don't know. It's because people what they hear. I don't know.
No, you know the meaning of that.
Yeah, after I sang the song, then people are reacting, commenting. I'm seeing what's wrong with this song.
No, brother. But they sang they are somewhat they.
సో
क्या बोलते हैं
వాళ్ళు
उसको?
ఏమనుకున్నారంటే మేము గుద్ద గుద్ద తిరుగుతామా ఆడు గుద్ద వాళ్ళు కూడా అంటారు ఇప్పుడు అదే మరి
No. You have to speak. Then he is angry, but you can manage him.
No, he can't do anything to me.
Yeah, I also know, brother. No one can do nothing.
Me, if he doesn't want me to sing the song, I'll delete it from my page. I have no.
No delete, brother. But it
I
is
have-
went viral. That video
I have-
మొత్తం వైరల్ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు దాన్ని చేసిన పీకేదేం లేదు నాకు తెలిసి.
Then he should be happy. I made this song very viral. Then I don't know why.
No one said to you sing that song in ETV program also. That is a big stage.
No, by then I had not sang the song.
Sorry.
My-
You see, no.
Before ETV, I had not sang the song. I did ETV show in January.
January. Last time released it that one.
Yes, they released it late, but I did it in January.
January.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, me, I have no problem.
No problem, bro. No tension, brother. May here.
Me tension? No, never.
Yeah.
Why? It's, if he took it wrongly, I have no problem. Because if it's his song, he feels like I'm spoiling his song. Me, I'm just trying out random songs.
Yeah, you trying random songs, but bro, that is your talent, brother. What you are doing, it is your talent.
No, it's not. See, if he feels like I did wrongly, then he will come here and he will teach me how post on my Instagram.
Yeah. That is why he is coming and he will say to you. Also, first of all, why you choosing that song?
That song is a village song, right?
Just village song, folk song. It is.
So, village folk songs, and I love them so much.
You love.
you love her.
I love
You love her.
folk songs.
Okay.
I love those. She's a woman, she's coming. She's a lady.
Lady.
The singer is a lady, right?
Yes, lady.
Yeah, so I love
You love her.
those. No, I don't love her. I'm saying I love the folk songs.
Okay.
Those Telugu folk songs. I listen to
Folk
them.
songs love చేస్తావు.
Yeah, that is great. But you are changing.
You are
its-
ridiculously, definitely you are unconsciously and go on fact like.
What he is speaking. I
What
also
I
not,
say?
not
Yeah,
kidding.
of course.
See,
యా బ్రదర్ అండ్ ఇంకో మాట ఏంటంటే ఆయన వచ్చినప్పుడు మంచిగా మాట్లాడు ఓకేనా హీ విల్ కమ్ ట్రై టు
He.
హీ నాట్ షీ
నీకు షీ
the
కావాలా?
singer is a he.
యు నో
She.
యు
అమ్మాయి కావాలా?
యు నో షీ
Amai is.
నో హీ
You want అమ్మాయి?
No, I'm saying the person who sang the song.
దిస్ ఏరియా పొలిటికల్ లీడర్
పొలిటికల్ లీడర్, ప్రొడ్యూసర్ అండ్ మొత్తం టోటల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సాంగ్ దట్స్ మ్యాన్.
I don't care if he comes.
యా నో
You don't care, but he care.
He cares because he's saying the song is much more famous than his song.
ఫేమస్ అయింది కానీ గుట్టా మీన్స్ గుద్ద అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు. దాన్ని
Yeah,
change
people
చేయలేం.
see. If he's angry, then I don't know why.
ఎక్కువ లాగ్ చేయకరా
If he's angry, I don't know why people always ask me to sing the song.
ఓకే ఓకే.
People like that song, the way I sang it.
Yeah. Obviously they like, but first of all you have to know what is going, what will happen.
Me, it's not my mistake. Me, if I listen to that song always, I hear good ta. I don't hear good da.
Yeah.
I listen and like,
Yes, you have to
Gutta,
speak not
gutta.
gutta. You have to speak sing in gutta.
I sing gutta even
Yeah.
here, I've sang gutta. Everywhere I sing gutta, but pronunciation has a problem.
తిడుతున్నావు ఇప్పుడు తిడుతున్నావు బుద్ధా అని
The way I sing my Telugu pronunciation is not.
Yes. Once you try gutta, how song will come, you'll see. Once
I sing.
try sing gutta tirigeto like that sing.
Gutta gutta tirige toda pimmasari gutta ki gutti katte toda. Ni gutta saila na kuterusu. What did I say? Gutta?
Okay. Pronunciation is wrong, brother.
That's
You
what
are
I'm
trying to gutta, but it is converting like.
That's not my problem then. It's a pronunciation problem. I have to practice until I become perfect.
Yeah, he will come and he so much angry on you.
I don't care, man.
నాకు
Brother.
మంచిగా ఉన్నాయి అందుకని
Brother, don't laugh. He is my boss. I think he is this area political leader.
So what should I do?
Hmm?
What should I do?
So don't laugh, brother. Even I
No.
also get angry on you if you laugh.
Why I get angry? Then I
Don't
should
laugh.
know.
Why you laugh, brother? Why you? ఎందుకు నవ్వుతావు అసలు?
Why I laugh?
He is a boss. I already said to you, this area political leader. But why I am telling about him, but you are laughing.
So what should I do? Cry?
After he comes, then you will automatically cry.
Why?
So how you talking, brother?
You are
Ridiculously.
going to beat me.
Why? Who can beat, brother? But you have to sense. Sixth
Yes,
sense.
I've told you very well. The mistake is not mine. Me when I'm singing songs. I
Yeah.
make
So
mistakes.
you don't laugh.
I'm always smiling. You see my videos, right?
No, brother, I am also big fan of your brothers. I am
Have you
saying,
ever seen me angry?
but when I am saying he is my political leader, but you are laughing. Why, silly?
Oh,
యూ టేక్ ఇట్ సిల్లీ
Why?
okay, man. I'm done here.
Hmm?
Goodbye.
He is coming 2 minutes, 5 minutes.
Goodbye. You people are getting emotional.
Brother,
I don't like.
not emotionally, brother.
I don't like these things. You know, I'm not a man who is going. You see, my life, I'm always happy.
Brother, see,
I don't like people.
5 minutes. Actually, I am angry because
You get angry. I don't care. You know.
Actually, I am angry because you laugh. That is a small thing.
I should not laugh.
You laugh. That is your wish. But I am talking about a person. Then you have to don't laugh.
I told you, me, I have no problem against people. People want. To
You
create-
have no problem, brother.
People want to create problems with me. I don't see the
చెప్తే
reason.
అర్థం కదా.
Understand? Then I don't see why you're getting angry because he's your
Hey, sorry,
boss,
sorry,
right?
brother. Sorry. This is not correct. But he's boss, brother.
He's your
Last
boss.
time this area है ना, ये एरिया में मेरे को क्या होना तो भी उसको बोलूँगा मैं.
Listen.
इवन मैं पुलिस स्टेशन को गए तो भी एक कॉल करता हूँ मैं ऐसे लाता हूँ ऐसे आदमी मेरे को like a guard. But you are laughing. I'm somewhat felt like bad.
So like, see, if you want to take me to police, you can take me to police. Me, let me tell you one thing. In my life, once I do something, if you listen to me, see, you've heard me sing well, right?
Hmm?
You've heard me when I'm singing.
No, I'm not getting
When
what.
I'm singing, you've heard me.
Hmm?
While I was singing the song,
Me?
yes, you heard me when I'm singing.
Because
Did I say gudda or I say gutta?
Yeah.
When I'm singing now,
Yeah.
I was saying gutta, right? So when I was saying gutta,
Yeah.
so even if I play my song right now, you will hear gutta.
Yeah.
But
కానీ
the pronunciation for me is different.
What are you doing, brother? No. Don't take all these silly things here. No, chal.
The pronunciation for me is very different. So I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
See,
Okay, I'm
me.
sorry for I am angry.
Me, even if
because-
I smile, even if I laugh, it doesn't mean I'm not respecting someone. That is my nature.
Yeah, you,
Because-
bro. I know personally you are a good person. I hear
Because-
last time you gave an interview. He's also my friend. She said about you. He's a nice guy personally. She said.
Because I don't see my life. I don't want to take life so serious.
సరే తాగు.
No.
No, drink, brother. Don't take seriously, brother.
No. I don't take things seriously. I told you, me, I'm always. Nobody can ever stop me from smiling.
Huh?
Nobody can ever stop me from smiling.
No, first of all, this fellow is raised that.
నేనేం చేసిన
No, it's okay if you.
నువ్వు మొత్తం కథ పడకు. బ్రో సారీ
ఏం
ఏంటిది
నేనేం చేసిన
ఏంటిది
నాన్ వెజ్ ఈరోజు చదువుతాడు
Huh?
ఏంటి
ఏంటిది
నేను అన్నా
పరోటా
సో గైస్ వీడియో చూసారు కదా పార్ట్ 2 ఇంకో 2 డేస్లో రిలీజ్ చేస్తా. అంతకుముందు మీకు ఇక్కడ మన డ్రీమ్ బాయ్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్లో వన్ డే విత్ సద్దాం అనే వీడియో పెట్టాను. అది కూడా మన ఛానల్ని, ఆ ఛానల్ని కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ప్రజెంట్ అయితే ఈ వీడియో మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి.